The new Corolla Cross. Fill it with friendship and family. The new Corolla Cross. Filled with life.
Itiski TV, powered by World Sports Betting. itiskitimes.co.za. It's Kaizer Chiefs 3, Orbit College 1. Mdlalo Betway Premiership, match day 21 for Kaizer Chiefs. They still have another game in hand. Kaizer Chiefs, it seems like, as a game in hand, bayasafuna njenge-champions. They are collecting points. Remember, Junior, Kaizer Chiefs has been a team that has been scoring one goal each and every game. But in their last 3 games now, they scored 6. Considered 2, something no gobesingathi kasiyithetha ngamanqaku sibale ne-Kaizer Chiefs, because remember first leg against this team, man of the match, do you agree?
Shane, my brother, kunjani?
Junior, do you agree?
Yeah.
Mabo.
Ngifuna ukukhuluma ngaye.
All right. Okay, Junior, mandikubulisa la mfowethu singene egamini. I hope you're right.
Shane, my brother, kunjani?
I'm okay, my brother.
Happy
I'm okay.
Easter, man.
Thank you so much.
Holidays,
Happy
ngibulisa
Easter. Yay.
uJustice, ngibulisa uNkululeko, ngibulisa uBenedict Sofavilakazi. Ebafethu kunjani? Keep on supporting Itiski TV, fighting no one try to fix South African football.
Yeah.
Well deserved. Umabuyele uyaqale ngakhona Kaizer Chiefs uqale so today egamini yanamhlanje.
He's been collecting this man of the match,
Especially gaming yabo ithi le game leya before le. Nali uyaqale ngakhona. In the middle kulawo ma game lawo bese kunama question marks, but yamba nange surrounding abantu aba back up high. I'm talking about the team effort. So aliwe deserve namhlanje. Well deserve nale game le after, I think before this one belebe bayidlala man of the match deserve analiya. But la manye bekunama question marks from him. Ngoba noma ngabe team ayina redeem. Standard of its team sitropile nama players that akuna lack of quality marmelo uveze ubuwena bakho. I think uvezile in today's game. Uqale kahle uma kuye Kaizer Chiefs last 2 games ngimshayela ezandla as well. Asikhuluma ngegame nje yonke shini. I think abafana the way they started ngikhuluma ngeOrbit College. Abafana bakaPogiso baqale kahle mfethu. Energy level, well done to them. I think by all out udlale nga front 3. I think ulomchita lo Wakaba, and also Mahlangu, the striker, I'm talking about the boy. Lisako, I think, was playing as sort of number 10. Potsane, I think, was playing in the midfield. Him and Ben Mutswari. I think he front 3 pressing there. He did very well not to allow Kaizer Chiefs to start the Ipola at the back. Also midfielders ngikhuluma ngalo mfana Potsane, also Ben Mutswari, ukuthi ba press nabo following their front 3, and also the back 4 goalkeeper be alert. I think they started very well. Ukuthola goal. Well deserved ngoba mawabheka nemove yabo ledlale ka left. Almost end up ukuthi kube goal. Well done to lengwenya le uMahlangu ukuset up lapha. Mangabheka le umjita thele ngakhona. Did very well. Ibhola I think upright yamvima goalkeeper. But ulele lapha no Bryce Zuma naye. Lele. I understand ukuthi no I think the bhola leli shayipali uyewalala bekamile phela lapha yana. Bekumela move and play. Move and play. Mabele on the left hand side, I think Obit now failed coach. I'll give this guy Wakaba. The captain did very well. I think Beguba change my position. No one left right. I think we started on the left Mabele. Never gave anything to coach. Kaizer Chiefs after conceding, I think first 20 minutes, 25 minutes, Obit all over Kaizer Chiefs. I think badlala intensity high. Always I think badlala too like forward. Everything bebayenza forward. Very dynamic. I'm talking about going up front. Not in the midfield match. Ben Mutswari nalo mfana Potsane good player. For me, I think umfana une energy. It just need to be composed. Mele basebenza ngebasic more in terms of technique. Into abangazilungisa, the boy I think is still young. After 25 minutes, angazi why conceding a goal. You did very well. For Kaizer Chiefs, good to 2 bookings, which is Edin McCarthy. Also Kevin Msimang first goal. I think the set piece poor from him. He's an experienced player. You can't allow the ball this guy Mabele. You can't allow him to press ufike and then ushaye le bhola sekala. Why ungalikhipeli ngaphandle masekala? And then Scarlet Pants kube throw in. Leonto le far ukuthi ngaba half of a chance. Now the set piece, good set piece, far post, I think good finish. You understand? And then from there, I think first 25 minutes they did very first 25 by After that Kaizer Chiefs pushing very hard, I think, to get a goal. But the Kaizer Chiefs, I think, nabo, ukulahla shape up front, which is Ulomchitalo Uliepo, Mtutuzi Shabalala. Also Tuba. Utuba makadlali wing. Ngonile badlala central nge-striker. This guy Uliepo. Kusho ukuthi nabo basimamela masikhuluma Uliepo as a striker. But mina also makadlala as a striker ngimquestiona too much. Wow, last position. Wenza lento eyenza evident. International player, stay on the box. Ulahle position, udlala as a striker now, you are tall. Bakudlalisa according to your strength sakho, because on the wing. Akusumuntu mabakudlala, mabakumarka tight. Ongakwazi ukuthi uphume kuma tight situation bakudlalisa according to strength sakho. Now you can't move off the ball. Move off the ball uphume boxing. Now I think bese balahle shape, but well done for them ukuba patient to get the goal ngoba iKaizer Chiefs, I think they deserve to win this game in today's game. They pressed too much. I think well deserved good bathole goal ngoba le team ihambile after getting the goal bayodlala low block now. Every man behind the ball. Mama checka ni shape yabo. Every man behind the ball. Nangapa nilahle ni shape. Structure sabo ngikhuluma nge tactical funny poor. Kunama loops ngikhuluma ngu badlala bana like Utso was saying. Kuna 21 yafini yabo. Excluding goalkeeper Kaizer Chiefs uBryce Vuma. Mara kunama loops. Kune paces eziningi mara baningi yafini. That's poor from them. Also Ramahle Phahlela. I mean, being expected better from him. You understand? Le bola leli Kaizer Chiefs elikora. Le bola it was something out of nothing. Le bola liza kuye lihlera ngo left, wafuna ukulihlera ngo right mfana. But it did well Ramahla, will be honest to you. Uzamile Umchita as a leader. Ispine sabo nges complimenta Ben Mswari, also him uRamahle. Lo mfana lo Mahlangu zomshayela izandla. The boy first half I think did very well. After that first 25 minutes, Kaizer Chiefs they were all over them. They got the goal, the Chiefs. And well done to Kaizer Chiefs also. Njoba ngisho kuba patient. And Chiefs overload amaside two. I think after conceding a goal, overloading side daga across, overloading the side daga left. It's a pity to Modi never came to the party. Also on the right hand side, well done to Munyane go forward. It's just that it delivering yabo a bit poor. Nkuluma ngaye across naye Munyane. Beba marangesi it poor. Iga two. Because this guy, he was out of position. Mauzo cross ala pufuna yena which is really able. Yeah, after and then it was, I think they were lost in fact after conceding. And then second half, well done to the coach, I think, freshen up. Bring Mfundo Villagas, not much of impact again in namhlanje. But in thing ithanda ngayo ukudlala basic. We know we can dribble, we saw that, but basic football. Sometimes kunamanye ama-move unga-delay bowler. I think umfana mawungachecka yena might not see that ukuthi into grand coach ayifuna, but ukuba nje basic ukudlala basic football ngoba makangena kunama-expectation ukuthi agibele phezu kweball and stuff. But makadlala basic football anga-delay bowler, I think imove achieves iba much better. But well done also the coach ukuthi akhiphe uNkosi Ngiphile Ngcobo. I think bekunobu laziness to the boy. I think ubuye benyathu that spark ngikhuluma nge-energy. Well done to him, complimenta uMabuye. Now Kaizer Chiefs look lively. Also ukuletha Silva. I think mabayisuliyepo on the wing bekumele bamkhiphe uliyepo vele bafake nalo mfana uvele phay. But now I'm disappointed ngovele phay ukuthi angene and then so quiet from him azanga because but Chiefs truly speaking they deserve to win this game because mangacheka I think they managed this game as well. Also goal number 3 labo ngicela compliment individual brilliance from Kaizer Chiefs. Mangacheka le ball umunyane the cross is square pass akuse cross ubheke ne movement from lo mfana lo uDuba le ball amakalieka skipping wonderful goal number 3 le Kaizer Chiefs. I think goal number 2 well done. I think it's more of a teamwork. Compliment individual brilliant. Well done to Mnyane. Well done to Lomfana State Dami skipper Yenzile Utuba. And well done to him to good finish. He never had a good game too, but well done. I think certain players
he won himself with that goal, yeah.
Yeah, but he confident I think Lizomniga de la Pola. And also Obit. I think front three coach we keep this courtesy there and Mabele and also this guy Wakaba. Bekumele ba eliminate with 3. I mean we Duralane outside ngaphandle nalo mfana ulikhele. But far ke second half my God. I think mistake enkulu now you track everybody back. But Chiefs all over them. I think Chiefs today they deserve to win and also managing the game to scoring yayibona. I mean they win the game circulating ball ngoma areas are right not playing these back passes. No, they were going up front. If mine be tight, they say, bring it back and balkade pants. Well done,
and there were also moments where you saw the guys who had 2 yellow cards, Umakau Aiden and also Msimango. when Kaizer Chiefs were attacking, you would see them at Alanga center. Meaning that the Obit, they were just sitting at the back, hoping which is they will catch the Kaizer Chiefs on a break. But that also never happened because those are some of the plans. It's like most good team is back pass. Okay, this is how we will explode forward. But we never saw that from your Obit, Namhlanje Junior.
Yeah, ile nto engisho freshen up as a coach lentwana ezikhothele ufuna abantu aba-coachable, it's understandable, ana-budget intwana ezi-coachable whereby uyashouta zenza lento oyifunayo. But now yabona i-inexperience ine-level labafana I think they were tired. You can't ask them to go forward and attack and come back and defend. It's going to be difficult. Freshen up, i-Chiefs yenzile nayo. In order for them to get a goal, bakhiphe eliminatile babonile I think ama-analysis yabo credit to technical team nabo ima-coaches bambone lo mfana uNkosi Mphile because beyangabaniki anything. I mean uNkosi Mphile had so many ball possession but it doesn't attack a space. Nokurana kula ma-spaces la ubuya benyatha kore khona le bhola ubanike enye into I think makangena ukujoina on the box late bheka le goal utholile and well done to buya benyatha. Good goal I think njengoba ngisho individual brilliance also the team as a team Chiefs played very well and also an individual but Obit there's a lot of job need to be done. Lentwana lezi kunentekumele zigele ziphethe Premiership. Sometimes you find a team that there's no much of equality but the experience is okushaya and tactical poor. You can't ask the team come back and defend in Kolmanonke. Like you ask everybody to come and defend but kunama loops, kune pace and it's shayo and then that's poor.
In just a few seconds, do you see them surviving?
Yeah, Obit kunama game that I believe many will survive. Mina ngibona iChippa mfethu Obit izodlala ama playoffs. That's me. iChippa United mina ngibona kuzomba yona. I'll be honest to you. Chippa United honestly. Obit kunama game enokwa and iChippa sure but watching both masengi I think Obit bazodlala ama playoffs.
Are you saying Imakis will also survive?
I mean to say,
Makis.
Makesi, not Chippa United, sorry.
Makesi,
Chippa much better than I think even Makesi. Makesi, I mean changing, I think Yaba Hunter is changing coaches. I'm trying to say Makesi.
Yeah.
Changing, I think I'm a coach, good 6 months and change, I'm a coach at 3. Leon Tole, I think Ilaiba Chola corner. So I don't see them winning any game going forward. In Makesi, so Puma, these guys will go to playoffs. And the Gula was a survivor corner, I think, playoffs.
Well, Junior, thank you so much for your analysis. That's Junior Yakanye, former Kaizer Chiefs midfielder. Besibukele kunye ke lo mdlalo weKaizer Chiefs against Obit Park eGqeberha Nelson Mandela Bay Stadium. Nalapho ke Kaizer Chiefs iqokelela amanqaku i3 yascora 3 goals yohlala ke ku number 3. Thank you so much for watching iDiski TV.
Hola bafethu, this is Junior Kanye. Please subscribe to iDiski TV.
This is Bongane Benedict Vilakazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafethu, Amakhosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe iDiski TV.